Hey YouTube, welcome back to Monkey Business. So today we got a little bit of a, well, first let me say, we got everything done for the fire, the flames, the big kaboom. So that's pretty exciting. We're gonna see if we can shoot some flames off today, which you guys will see that today. We're cleaning the garage today, getting ready for a little surprise for you guys. So we're gonna get into that. We got the rat rod over here. We got everything done. I'm gonna kind of show you what we're doing here. So we got the fuel injectors here, got the fuel rail, we got everything done. We got new lines, high pressure lines, we got all those hooked up. So it should be pretty exciting. Stay tuned. Alright, so we ended our day. As you can see, we had a lot of fun today. A lot of fun. My favorite part was the flamethrowers, so that was just freaking awesome to me.
I'm gonna be sore tomorrow from old mopping. Taylor broomed for 5 minutes and acts like she hurt herself. And Boo Boo, she got soaking wet, didn't you?
She did.
Thank you, baby. But we had a good time. It all kind of came together. We've been working hard at this, and so this was kind of a culmination of things we'd been working on. We didn't get a lot of tire smoke going. Those tires got sticky, and they hooked on this floor. I got a little nervous about heading for the house instead of getting the donut in that I was going to try to get.
I think the most important thing was that we were wanting these flames to work. We put so much work into the flames, and so it felt good seeing it work. So.
Right. A lot of trial and error, but I saw on another YouTube channel the other day, my ideas always work sometimes. Now they work because if they don't work, I just keep working until they do. So whatever idea I've got, I'm gonna figure out a solution for it. But we've enjoyed your time. Glad you hung out with us today. We hope that you'll like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell.
We're gonna go eat dinner.
We're gonna go eat dinner. We got some hamburger helper.
We got some hamburger helper.
We've got our subscriber count going up, and that's good. We're trying to do better.
We really appreciate you guys watching videos and giving us feedback on the different stuff that you think should help, like the lighting. Yes, we've heard the lighting so many times. We're working on it. We just gotta make sure that we can get some stuff in the budget to.
And so make sure to comment. That helps us out too. We're trying to move up in the rankings on YouTube and get YouTube to recommend us to some people too. So appreciate your time. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll talk to you guys next time.